Today, we're exploring a realm where technology meets everyday comfort, where your home is more than just a place to live. It's a space that adapts to you. China is at the forefront of this transformation, leading the way in smart home technology. We'll dive into how innovations like smart furniture, smart lighting systems, smart kitchens, smart bathrooms, and smart cleaning robots are turning homes into intelligent environments that cater to our every need. Let's kick things off with smart kitchens and smart cookware, areas where China is truly setting new standards. Imagine walking into your kitchen, and everything you need is not just ready, but intelligently anticipating your next move. In Chinese smart homes, the kitchen is no longer just a place to cook. Now, let's move on to smart furniture. In today's Chinese homes, furniture isn't just functional, it's intelligent. Imagine a sofa that not only adjusts to your preferred seating position, but also charges your devices, controls your lighting, and even has built-in speakers for an immersive sound experience. Beds that monitor your sleep patterns and adjust firmness levels accordingly are becoming the norm. This is all about merging technology with comfort, making your home as responsive as the gadgets you carry with you every day. The smart lighting systems in these homes are just as advanced. They don't just illuminate your space, they create the perfect ambience for every moment. Whether you need bright, focused light for working or a soft, warm glow to unwind in the evening, these systems adjust automatically. Some systems even sync with your home automation, turning on as you enter a room and off as you leave, ensuring your home is always lit just the way you like it. In Chinese smart homes, the bathroom is becoming one of the most technologically advanced spaces. Smart bathrooms feature toilets that do more than just flush. They come with heated seats, built-in bidets, and air dryers, all controlled by a simple touch or voice command. Mirrors with embedded screens provide weather updates, traffic information, or even your daily schedule while you brush your teeth. Some systems even monitor your health, tracking hydration levels or analyzing sleep quality, turning your bathroom into a personal wellness hub. Finally, let's talk about smart cleaning robots, perhaps the most beloved of all smart home devices. These robots are more than just vacuums. They're sophisticated cleaning systems that can mop floors, clean windows, and even navigate around obstacles with precision. In China, these robots have become an essential part of daily life, ensuring that homes stay spotless with minimal effort. They map out your entire home, learn your cleaning preferences, and even empty their own dustbins. It's like having a dedicated cleaning crew that works tirelessly to keep your home pristine. So, why is China leading this smart home revolution? It's a combination of advanced technology, a culture of innovation, and a population eager to embrace the future.